minus 1 minute,
अब हम उड़ान से 1 मिनट की दूरी पर,
-45 seconds, minus 50 seconds,
all sequences armed. Stage ready.
minus
TB ready.
45 seconds, minus 40 seconds,
L110 VHPP open. MOV
minus
79
35
open.
seconds, minus 30 seconds,
Real-time programs activated.
minus 25 seconds,
L110 VSPP open.
minus 20 seconds, minus 15, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, plus 5 seconds,
Lift off normal. P1
Here
tracking.
we have a majestic liftoff of LVM-3 M4 rocket carrying India's prestigious Chandrayaan-3 spacecraft.
P2 tracking.
प्रज्वलन और सफलतापूर्ण उत्थापन LVM-3 M4 रॉकेट का। यह भीमकाय रॉकेट आसमान को चीरते हुए अपनी भयानक दहाड़ से चारों ओर कंपन उत्पन्न कर रहा है। इसे हम यहाँ महसूस कर सकते हैं और यही दहाड़ है जो वैज्ञानिकों को रोमांचित करती है। LVM-3 के उत्थापन के साथ ही हमारे अंतरिक्ष यान चंद्रयान-3 की चंद्रमा की यात्रा प्रारंभ हो चुकी है।
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Hajira Tabassum. I am going to represent my class 9th standard model of Chandrayaan-3. Chandrayaan-3 is the third lunar mission. Chandrayaan-3 was launched en route at LVM-3 M4 rocket on 14th of July 2023 at 2:35 p.m. from Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, the second launch pad in India. Chandrayaan-3 took 40 days to reach the moon. The lunar orbit entered the spacecraft on 5th of August 2023 and touched down near the South Pole on 23rd of August 2023 at 6:03 p.m. The rover successfully travelled 8 meters on the lunar surface. The elements found by the rover on the moon are aluminium, sulfur, titanium, chromium, calcium, sulfur, oxygen, etc. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Myself Noor Main Ahmad. I am a student of 9th standard. I am a student of 9th standard. So, ma'am told us to do a science exhibition. We planned to do what to do. Then we made a team, and I told to bring them what things we need. Afterwards, we thought to make. We did some crafts in the paper and how it looks. We saw that how it looks. Then it was not satisfied. Then again we did something. So afterwards it was really clear.
Modifying a lot of things. Then
that I got success. Afterwards we showed our teachers how it looks. Afterwards they told okay, it's fine. Afterwards we planned what to do and how to do. Afterwards we told ma'am like this we have did how it looks. So ma'am told okay, it's fine. Afterwards we invited you. Thank you for coming so much, sir.
It's a wonderful model. What you have prepared, it's a proud moment because you represented our India. Like this all models, what happens, we have to bring a lot of awareness. Good, great job. So team, all the team boys and girls, really good, wonderful. Keep it up. Hope Chandrayaan-4, Chandrayaan-5 जो है यहाँ से जाना.
Inshallah, sir.
हो सकता है. When you have made this model, even you can do that. So that is our dream. हमारा जो tagline है dream to reality. 100% this dream we can make it into reality if you people work on this. So students really have done a great job and wonderful thing. See, making this model is not a ordinary thing, but you people worked out on this, made one small model, then once again checked out and made rectifying, then modifying everything on that and made this kind of a model where today a lot of students got inspiration of this, and even many students what I have seen now, many other lower class students are telling that sir, even I want to become a scientist for Chandrayaan-4, Chandrayaan-5, Chandrayaan-10 तक भी जो हमारे इंडिया से represent करना, वो भी खासकर from the global school अलीना brand से जो है यहाँ आना इंशाल्लाह जरूर से 100% that will happen because I am getting support from the committee members and the parents and the teachers and students. Really I appreciate you all the students because this kind of model making this kind of model is really good. This last when I met our honorable speaker UT Khader Sahab, that's what I was telling him. Sir, we should have one this thing, sessions of this thing where students should have awareness of this science exhibition. And they should know about this model where we can start preparation for the Chandrayaan 4, Chandrayaan 5, Chandrayaan 6. We can work on that 100%. If we make this kind of awareness programs, 100% we will prepare for that. I am very proud of you all. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Shaiqa Parveen. I am a student of class 8. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Inna rabbakum Allahu alladhi khalaqa as-samawati wal arda fi sittati ayyamin thumma istawa 'ala al-arshi yughshi al-layla an-nahara yatbuhu hafithan wash-shamsa wal-qamara wan-nujuma musakhkharatin bi amri ala lahu al-khalqu wal-amru tabarakallahu rabbul alamin. तर्जुमा बेशक तुम्हारा रब अल्लाह है जिसने आसमान और ज़मीन 6 दिन में बनाए, फिर अर्श पर इस्तवा फरमाया जैसा उसकी शान के लायक है। रात दिन को एक दूसरे से ढाकता है कि जल्द उसके पीछे लगा आता है। सूरज चाँद तारों सब उसने बनाया, सब उसके हुक्म के दिए हुए हैं। सुन लो, उसके हाथ में पैदा करना और हुक्म देना बड़ी बरकत वाला है। जज़ाकल्लाहु खैरा।
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zainab. I am a student of 8th standard. My topic is solar system. Earth is the third planet from the sun, and it is the only planet where life exists due to the presence of water and oxygen. Earth rotates on its own axis, and it takes 23 hours 56 minutes and 4.1 seconds to complete one rotation. One rotation is equal to and that is equal and one rotation is equal to 1 day, and hence same way it takes 365 days to complete one revolution is equal to 1 year. Thank you. Jazakallahu khaira.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anjum Khatun. My standing of class 8. My model name is solar system. This is a model of solar system. It has sun and 8 planets. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. According to the science developed 4.6 million years ago, Earth is the only planet it has life.
Where is Earth? You show the
Earth
model.
Earth is the only planet it has life. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Mercury is the smallest planet. Thank you.
Okay, great.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zainab. I am a student of 8th standard. My topic is solar system. Earth is the third planet from the sun, and it is the only planet where life exists due to the presence of water and oxygen. Earth rotates on its own axis, and it takes 23 hours 56 minutes and 4.1 seconds to complete one full rotation. That is 24 hours, which makes complete rotation in the life. Thank you so much.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Rizvi. I am studying in 1st standard. My school name is Al Inam English School. I will explain the parts and function of the stomach. This is esophagus, also called food pipe. This is cardia. This is fundus. This is body. This is pyloric canal. This is pyloric antrum. This is rectum. Function of the stomach: stores food for small period of time, contract and relax to mix and break down food, produce enzymes and other specialized cells to digest food. Fat of Islamic stomach. The Prophet said the human can fill no containers worse than his stomach. Humans should eat normal than eating more. The Prophet also said never sleep on your stomach. Allah dislikes sleeping on your stomach. Thank you.
Wonderful. क्या नाम बेटा? Tell your name.
Muhammad Rizvi.
Say the name. क्या एज?
Muhammad Rizvi.
क्या एज क्या तुम्हारी?
I am 6 years old.
कौन सी स्कूल आपकी?
Global Alina.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Falaknas, student of Global Alinam from class 4th. The modern name is respiratory system. We know that we take in our through the nose. Our body needs oxygen that is in the air, the part which is not needed, and the which is not needed to our body goes out. Air passes through windpipe and the lungs when we breathe the observe the oxygen from the air, the carbon dioxide. The covered in winters, the trees will lose all its leaves and look like this.
Good, mashallah. Wonderful model. Yes. Yes, beta, how are you? Shake your hand. About the clouds, sun, rain. Madam. About the seasons you are telling me. Mashallah. Yes, beta. Yes, good, very good. It's about the solar system. Very good. Very good, mashallah. Wonderful.
My floor is covered with sand. No morning here. Man catching fishes in my Jazakallahu khaira.
Mashallah, wonderful, wonderful. Wonderful.
Babi,
Sabrina.
hi, hello.
Still louder, still louder.
बस बस बस
Cleanliness. Good, very good. Good topic.
Laila Fatima, what says? What you have made? What you have made?
Forest knows, mashallah, good, very good. You're opening the mouth, that's great. She's telling.
Yes, she's telling.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Muhammad Hussain. I am a student of Global Arena from class 4th. My topic is blood circulation. It is a muscle that pumps blood to all parts of your body. The blood pumped by your heart provides your body with the oxygen and nutrients it needs to function. In your heart is about the size of a cheeseburger and weight between 300 and 450 grams. Our heart has 4 chambers. The upper chamber are called the left and right arteries and the lower chamber are called the left and right ventures. Main through blood press receive deoxygenized blood and carry metabolic waste produced from the body are the main functions of that. Jazakallah. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Saklan. I am studying in 7th standard. My topic is kidney. The kidney is the pair of bean-shaped organ of the rib cage. The kidney help remove waste product from our body. The kidney is the most important part of the organ. The Allah Ta'ala has said the kidney is the most important organ in our body. Like
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Nidafia. I am a student of 6th standard. I will be explain about flood. Flood is a natural disaster which badly affects our lives. It occurs due to continuous heavy rainfall of stagnation of water in an area for a long time. Flood not cause only for a loss of life. Property have been also affect the economy of the country. Jazakallahu khaira.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Muhammad Farhan. I am a student of 6th and 8th. Now I will explain about forest fire. During the extreme heat of summer, some places dry grass catches fire. From grass it spread to trees. This result in a forest fire. It is a national disaster. Forest fire is also called wildfire. A forest fire spreads rapidly. Jazakallahu khaira.
Myself Myra Fatima. I am student of Global Alina Public School. We need a house to leave animals alone.
My topic is cleanliness and health. Hygiene is the first step to living good health. It starts with the cleanliness of your body, surrounding, and hygiene refers to good practice and rules that prevent diseases to lead good health. In order to maintain our health, we must practice. My topic is our explain it.
अच्छा ज़ैनब तुम्हें की बेटी तुम्हें हो
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Muhammad Adnan, student of Global Alinam from class 2. My topic is our property. The property used by the people in a town or village is called public property. We should not destroy public property, but safeguard them. We should not damage taps and street lights. We should.
ये डे और नाइट क्या माया
Explain.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Aksa Fatima, student of Global Alinam from class 2. The 24th period in which the earth completed one full rotation, its axis daytime, the time when the sun is visible from where you are on the earth. Night time, the time when the sky goes dark and the sun is no longer visible to your direction. The earth spinning around its axis.
बोलो माँ kamu tahu banget apa? Udah berat. Banyak apa boleh kata? Minik.
Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Halima Sadia, student of Global Alinam from class 2. My topic is plants. Welcome to my green garden. This is my beautiful green garden with different types of plants and trees like tomato plant, brinjal plant and coconut tree, etc. We see a huge variety of plants around us.
एडवांस फिल्टर करना मुझे
माशाल्लाह गुड टेक योर हैंड Mashallah, you people have done wonders, mashallah. You have related the science to Quran, right? Quran में जो मौजूद है वो science में क्या बोलते हैं, mashallah, good, very good. Cheers.
बड़े जरा बेटा.
Yes बेटा. Explaining. Mashallah, good. Tell बेटा.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Atika Iram. I am studying in class 8. I am from Global Al Inam Public School. I am telling about teeth. This is incisor teeth. Incisor teeth cut the food. This is canine teeth. Canine teeth cure the food. This is molars grind the food. Teeth are a precious creation of the human body. There are 32 teeth in an adult human mouth. Special teeth repeat at their fixed time. There are 5 types of teeth. White teeth encourage the beauty of human being. Teeth should be cleaned daily with a brush in the morning and at night. After taking food, teeth should be cleaned properly. Due to not take good care of our teeth, decay starts in them. If teeth are not cleaned properly, gum problem also arise. Time to time, our teeth should be shown to doctor. I am telling about Islamic. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given different types of teeth to animals. Herbivores have wide grinding teeth, molars. Carnivores have sharp canines. Omnivores have both kinds of teeth. Example like human being. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdullah. I am from class 3. My school name is Global Al Inam School. My model is human brain. Brain is a complex organ. Human brain weighs 3 pounds, 1300 to 1400 grams. This is frontal lobe. Frontal lobe is found at the front of the head. This is parietal lobe. Parietal lobe is behind the frontal lobe. This is temporal lobe. Temporal lobe is located at the sides of the head. This is occipital lobe. Occipital lobe is found at the back of the head. Parts of brain: cerebrum, cerebellum and brainstem. Functions of brain: brain control thought, memory, emotion, motor skills, vision, breathing, temperature, hunger, and that regulates our body. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Muhammad Zarman Pasha. I am studying in class 4 from Global Al Inam Public School. The every important organ is digestive system. Here, digestive system: mouth, foot, pipe, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Thank you. Jazakallah.
Rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My topic is evaluation of human beings. Roughly 2.5 million years ago to 10,000 BC, early humans lived in caves or in simple huts. They were hunters and gatherers. They used these tools like grudes, stone axes, bones, etc. for hunting birds and wild animals. But in the view of Islam, Quran describes how Allah created Adam. We created men from sounding clay, mud molded into shape, and he began his creation of men from clay and made his progeny from a quintessence of fluid. Thus, human beings have a fundamental attachment to the earth.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My topic is human eye. The eye is our organism. Its complicated design means an image can pass through the eye called retina. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdullah. I am studying in first standard. My topic is human eye. This is sclera. This is eyelid. This is pupil. This is iris. Eye is the organ of sight. It is spherical in shape. It is located in the orbital.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zaib. I am studying in third standard. My school name is Global Al Inam Public School. This is a working model of our human heart. This heart has 4 chambers. This is right atrium. This is left atrium. This is right ventricle. This is left ventricle. This is aorta. The functions of the heart. It is a primary organ of our circulatory system. Circulatory system made up of blood vessels that carry blood away and towards heart. I will also tell you about an Islamic fact about heart. The Holy Quran was revealed in the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Listen to Holy Quran for 3 hours every day. Protect from heart attack. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anjum Khatun. I am studying of class 8. My topic is solar system. This is a model of solar system. It has a sun and 8 planets. Their Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. According to the science developed 4.6 million years ago, Earth is the only planet it has life. Jupiter is the biggest planet, Mercury is the smallest planet. Thank you.
We should not damage plants and protect them. We should keep neat and clean to school. I like my school very much.
देखिए आप
My name is Sheikh Sawazuddin. My topic. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sheikh Sawazuddin. My topic is Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Mera Anjum. I am a student of first standard. My topic is water well pulleys or simple machine consisting of a wheel over which a pulley rope runs to change the direction of the pull used for lifting a load. Jazakallahu khaira.
बोलते बेटा
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Harsha Zainab, student of Global Arena from class 2. My topic is health is wealth. Happiness begins with good health. Living a healthy lifestyle such as eating healthy food, exercising, avoiding junk will not only extend your life but also improve your overall well-being. It will help you to feel better physically and mentally. Spend time in nature, connect with others, try to improve your sleep, find ways to learn and be creative are the basic tips your improve your well-being. Jazakallah, thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Rabia Fatima, student of Alinam from class 2. My topic is seasons. There are three seasons in a year. Generally, season come in 12 months of year. Every year from the end of February, March, April and May, we feel too hot. It is summer season. Usually, we wear thin cotton clothes during this season. New leaves trees started to growing and blowing in this season. New leaves and flowers in this season. Nature gives us sweet mango in this season. June, July, August and September, the whole country becomes green and prosperous. It's rainy season. October, November and December. December and January are the cold month of year. Sweaters and shawls are put out from the cupboard in winter. The trees will lose all its leaves and look like leaves. Jazakallahu khaira.
सलमा जरा हटो।
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself is Umayman. I am studying third standard. I am speaking about day and night. This model shows that day and night are due to the earth rotation on SI. The side facing the sun is
बोल बेटा।
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Fariha Mekki, student of Alinam from class 2. I am green in color. I have variety of trees, plants, animals and birds.
बेटे कौन बनाई थी ये? काही